Marathi versus non-Marathi debate is once again in spotlight. Maharashtra government has made Marathi as official language in government and semi-government offices.
Recently, this issue has taken an intense turn. Viral videos being circulated on social media show people allegedly being beaten for not speaking Marathi. This issue has reignited a political fire and a massive outrage.
Some political parties are actively fueling the issue, demanding stricter use of Marathi in daily affairs. But this has also raised an important question: can anyone take the law into their hands to impose a language?
Hello, this is Chitra Rajguru from Nashik.
Hello, I am Nirmiti Patore from Thane.
Hello, I'm Amit Srivastava from Navi Mumbai. In this video, let's hear what the people of Maharashtra has to say about the ongoing Marathi non-Marathi controversy.
Marathi should be definitely given a priority because every person who is here is not a literate person and then they don't understand. So yeah, if you see the south side, they always give priority their own mother tongue, and mother tongue if ignored will get vanished. Okay, so always everybody should give priority to Marathi because Marathi is our mother tongue, and otherwise it will get vanished.
But political parties are making this a big issue. Some parties are also indulging in violence if some people are unaware of Marathi.
That is all nonsense, bullshit. There is no need to do all such things because we have our language as Hindi as well, which is spoken in each and every state of ours. So that is our Hindi language is there, wherein even Marathis, they can understand little bit of Hindi, and there's no need to fight for this. Yeah, but anybody and everybody who stays here should learn Marathi, so it becomes very easy to handle with the hawkers or with other peoples, and it's very easy to tackle with the things.
मराठीचा मान राखलाच गेला पाहिजे.
संस्कृती मराठी आहे.
पण जे मारामारी सुरू आहे,
मारामारीचा प्रश्न आहे का तुम्ही बोलत नाही
ज्यांना
म्हणून
मराठी येत नाही
अपशब्द
नाही मग त्यांनी केलं बोलायचं आम्ही कोशिश करतो मराठी बोलायचं.
म्हणून बोलतो
त्यांनी बोलायला पाहिजे आम्ही बाबा मराठी बोलायचं कोशिश करू, आम्ही मराठी शिकू.
प्रयत्न करा.
पण तुम्ही बोला आम्ही मराठी बोलणार नाही, तुम्हाला काय करायचं करून घ्या, आम्ही मराठी बोलणार नाहीत, हे असं नाही चालणार ना.
देखिए, महाराष्ट्र में रहना तो मराठी आना चाहिए. ये मातृभाषा मराठी है, महाराष्ट्र की मातृभाषा मराठी है. ठीक है, मुंबई महाराष्ट्र की मुख्य जो सिटी मुंबई बोला जाता है, वहाँ पे सर्व भाषीय लोग रहते हैं. मगर जो भी व्यवहार जो है, जो समझो दुकान में बोर्ड होना चाहिए, जो भी व्यवहार है वो मराठी में होना चाहिए, क्योंकि मातृभाषा मराठी है. आप देखिए अलग अलग स्टेट में जाइए, आप तमिल जाइए, तमिल में देखिए हम लोग, मैं खुद जाके आया हूँ वहाँ पे, हम लोग हिंदी में बोलेंगे तो वो लोग तमिल में बात करते. आप यहाँ पे दूसरा केरला में जाइए, वहाँ पे हिंदी में नहीं बोला, केरला भाषा में बोलते. तो हमारे महाराष्ट्र में रह के हमें मराठी भाषा तो आना चाहिए, सबको मराठी सीखना चाहिए. और सब जो भी व्यवहार है वो बैंक हो, इधर हो, जो भी यहाँ पे भी हो, वो मातृभाषा में मराठी में होना चाहिए.
यस, अभी देखो मैं प्रॉपर मैंगलोर का है. अभी लास्ट 30 ईयर्स से मैं मुंबई में रहता हूँ. और ये मुद्दा एक्चुअली ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जो है, अभी जो रूलिंग पार्टी है, वो अपना जो फ़ायदा के लिए ये लोगों में ये करने का ये चालू है मुद्दा. एक्चुअली ऐसा कुछ रूल्स नहीं रहने चाहिए, बट महाराष्ट्र में रहने के बाद मराठी बोलना ही चाहिए. ये एक सही है.
I think that it is fine if some people insist on speaking their own mother tongue or want to speak in Marathi when in Maharashtra. But I also feel that they should not force others who do not know Marathi or are not comfortable speaking in Marathi to speak in Marathi. Usually it also happens that people who do not know how to speak in Marathi also make a lot of errors, which also embarrasses them. And maybe that is why they don't want to speak. Some people do not want to speak because it's not their mother tongue. They come from other places. We also need to understand and respect the fact that Maharashtra and the major cities of Maharashtra are all big business hubs of the nation, not just of our state. And a lot of immigrants are staying here. A lot of people from other states, other countries as well are staying here and are working here and are contributing to the economy of these cities. And we need to accommodate them, and we need to accommodate their language preferences also. People have made it into a political agenda for sure. sure. It divides the voter bank, and it becomes easier for politicians to choose a side and accordingly play politics. So people should not fall prey to such kind of political campaigns. And we are one country, one nation, and we are, because of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, we are also becoming an international hub, and we should accept the national and international languages as well.
I think it's a unnecessary controversy that has been created. See, the basic thing is that the beauty of Marathi language is that it's very much similar to Hindi. So people who have come from other parts of India and residing in Maharashtra can understand Marathi. It's only that they can't speak it, or they can't speak fluently. And same goes vice versa. Maharashtrians or Marathi speaking people do understand Hindi. So there is no issue of wrong communication that is happening in most of the cases. So we need to respect other languages, but I think that people who are coming from other parts of India or other parts of outside Maharashtra should try and learn Marathi, at least the simple and basic words. If they can speak, then it becomes easier for other people to understand 110%. There's no doubt about it. With local municipal corporations approaching in Mumbai, Nasik and other parts of Maharashtra, I think this is a 110% political agenda that is being driven. It shouldn't be blown off to another level. Otherwise, businesses will shy away from Maharashtra.